Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a short video on how we can replace the VLOOKUP error NA with a more friendly message. So let's get started. So we have this table with Aadhaar ID of some people and some information like name, address, mobile number. Let's say I search for an Aadhaar ID which is not in this table. I receive this NA error message. How can I make this more friendly? So we can use a function called if error. So let's select this. So it has two uh, parameters to be passed. The first parameter value is the value that we want to display if the VLOOKUP is successful. Second value is the value to be displayed if the VLOOKUP is failed. So if the VLOOKUP is successful, we want to display the mobile number. So we'll apply a simple VLOOKUP here. And if VLOOKUP is a failure, which means this is not found, then we want to show not found. So uh, we'll put not found within double quotes. Yeah. So 1113 is not in this table, so it returns as not found. If I search for 1224, we have this, so it fetches the mobile number. Let's say I search for another ID. It is not in this table, it says not found. We can replace not found with any text like missing, also missing, found, missing. So this is how you can replace any error message with a more friendly message as a result of the VLOOKUP. I hope you found it useful. This was a short video. Thanks for watching.